10 Commandments of Driving Safety. Number 1, I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. Number 2, I will not pass without care on curves, nor hills, nor the view is unseen by my eyes. Number 3, I will not violate speed laws, nor exceed speed limits. Number 4, I do not disobey highway sign and traffic signals. Number 5, I do not make a twice without signaling my attentions. Number 6, I do not accelerate my speed at school, playgrounds, hospital, and other dangerous zones. Number 7, I will not be careless when crossing at intersection. Number 8, I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. Number 9, I will slow down when daylight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. Number 10, I will be courteous and respectful of the right of every drivers and pedestrians. 10 Commandments of Road Safety from Travelers. Number 1, thou shalt not gaze at the phone. Number 2, thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. Number 3, thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. Number 4, thou shalt not take in any chances. Number 5, thou shalt buckle up the cage. Number 6, thou shalt not drive on the right. Number 7, thou shalt not drive with one light or with fully lights. Number 8, thou shalt adhere to the speed limit. Number 9, thou shalt keep the distance. Number 10, thou shalt practice patience. 10 Commandments of Traffic. Number 1, keep right. Number 2, observe road courtesy. Number 3, prohibit parking. Number 4, if in doubt, do not overtake. Number 5, the bus stop rule, lining up on the bus stop zone. Number 6, rule to prevent or untangle traffic jams. Number 7, observe traffic management measures. Number 8, the philosophy of Pinoy drivers. First come, first serve vehicle. Number 9, on pedestrian. Number 10, remember the international driving safety reminders.